Imagine a neighborhood where residents are empowered to become local climate champions, leading ground-up solutions, influencing family and friends, having fun with their neighbors, all while building social and environmental resilience.
My name is Cheryl. Over the past year, I have been working to develop the Cool Hood Champs program together with the Collaborative for Advanced Landscape Planning at UBC Vancouver. As the world began to recognize the climate emergency it is facing, my colleagues and I noticed that many Canadians care a lot about climate change, but don't know what to do about it. This inspired us to develop Cool Hood Champs, a program that trains local residents to lead climate solutions within their neighborhood. Through a series of workshops, both in person and online, we are teaching participants to identify local climate change impacts and solutions through an interactive neighborhood tour. Helping participants to envision their ideal climate-friendly neighborhood through a hands-on visualization exercise. Guiding participants to create, refine, and execute their very own climate action plan. And finally, offering participants an opportunity to bond and network with both potential and existing climate champions.
Here at KELP, we think the Cool Hood Champs program is great. But don't take it from me. Here's what one of our climate champions had to say about the program.
Hi, my name is Sam. I'm a student at UBC for kinesiology, and I signed up for this workshop. I felt like it would be a great way to learn some new skills or different things I could do to make a difference. I think my favorite thing about the workshop was the people, to be honest. It made it inclusive, but also very positive. Like, I think that everyone kind of had the feeling that they could share their ideas and it would be very safe and very helpful. Like, we could all work together, and it was inspiring to see just the ideas grow. Like, people would put out an idea and then other people would give advice, and then before you know it, there's an actual climate action plan.